I have been waiting for this moment. It is time for Stuff That Challenge. I have got 5 savings challenges that I need to stuff into my sinking funds. This is a total of $234. I got my sinking funds all ready to go. I've got it kind of figured out where I'm going to put everything, but let's see where the money falls. So we're going to start with float. And what I did this time, instead of just combining all the money, I just took each challenge that I completed and put it with a different binder. So with float, I'm going to put this with my car binder. It has $21 in it, which will get a couple of these back to kind of where they were. So I'm going to put $10 in for tires. And that brings that sheet updated. So I'm going to skip a line here and go 820. No, I'm recording this on the 20th. And I'm going to put $10 in here, so I have $10 back in here. And let me I'm going to withdraw and zero that out. All right, so starting over, and I have $10 in here. Car emergencies is going to get $5. Car emergency is going to get $5, and I'm going to do, this marker is not cooperating like I'd like it to. So withdrew $5, added $5. All right. Registration and tags is going to get $6, and that brings that one up to date. Okay, so that is all afloat, and that gets us going with that car binder. So next I have Tough Like a Girl. I know I've been saving this for Cadence and Christian for being able to go out and do something with them, and we managed to get that done. And so I'm going to use this money to build up my Christmas fund again. So going into this is $50, I think. Let me organize it and count it. 10, 20, 30, 40, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. So $50 going in to rebuild the Christmas fund. So rebuilding Christmas at $50. So this one really hurt when I had to take it out because I was already at $200. So I withdrew $200, and today I am going to put 50 in. So that's $50 going back in here, and 5 of these little icons that can be colored. I am not going to color on camera today, so I'll go back and color that one another time. All right. And that is the holiday binder. All right, so Gumballs is going in the month ahead binder. I am going to take this all and put it into one pocket, and that is the home pocket. I withdrew $50 from this one. And today I am going to be redepositing $5, $10, $15, $17, $18, $19, $20, $21. And this one already has a sheet that I decided not to reprint. And so 5, 10, 15, 20. So we're here. And once I get to $50, then I can start coloring that again. And that's okay. I really should probably put the others back in here in their places. Let me take a look. No, because some of these were really all the way colored in. Nah, it'll be fine. I'll reprint them. All right, that is the month ahead binder. All right, new shoes. New shoes. I waited so long for this one. And I am going to divide this money up into wait, is this the right binder? No, wrong binder. New shoes is going into the fun binder. I am going to put $10 in each one. So I need to get a couple more 10s here. Let me swap out. Oh, maybe not. Let me put that over here. Let's see. We're going to put $10 in each one of these. So 10 is going into self-care. All right, $10 in there. $10 goes in here. For the RV fund. And $0. And so now I have 10 in there. I already added it. Homestead Fund is getting $10. All right. Okay. that takes care of that one. And then this $10 is going where? Am I doing 5 and 5? Oh. Shopping is getting $50. And because new shoes was really going into that one, and I'm going to deposit 50. And honestly, well, $50 is what I'll have. 0 minus 2. All right, so $50 is going into there, and I'll go back and color that later. And then I'm going to cash out this 20 for 2 10s. Foot Care is getting $10 today. And, oh, there it is, way over there. Foot Care is getting $10. Hair Care is getting $10. All right. Foot Care and Hair Care. And that is it for this binder. Finally, we have $42 from Blowing Bubbles going into our priority funds. And with this, I'm going to skip Jeremy. I'm going to do $5 to each of these. Do I have some more 5s over here? I'm going to swap out this 10 for 2 5s if I have it. Yeah. Swap out that 10 for 2 5s. Is that the only paper bill we have? Yeah. Alrighty. That money was counted for something. I'll have to sort back through. All right, so $5 for Waffle. And she had already, I'd already used this money. So there was nothing in there. Before my dental emergency. Student loans, I did not take this money out because this is a priority. They will be starting up again unless I was fortunate enough to get them forgiven, which I don't think. But if they kill some of that interest, it'll be livable. All right, so student loans, and I will color that one off camera as well. Investments. Oh, I skipped this one, and then I'm just going to the emergencies. Jeremy. Oh, wait. So I'll skip that line. Oh, I'm way off camera. Sorry. And I withdrew that money, starting over with his emergency fund. And Jared's emergency fund. Starts over again. All right. And my emergency fund gets the $7. And I have $500 in a different bank account for and I'm going to all right. And that is it. That's the priority binder. That is it. I have stuffed 5 savings challenges into 5 different sinking funds binders. I am excited to be adding money back into my sinking funds after having taken it all out. So I'm really feeling good about being back on track. Thank you for stopping by. Again, thank you to everyone who reached out, comments, all of that in support, because I was really feeling down about having to take all this money out. But it does feel good to be getting back on track, to actually have gotten a paycheck and watched my savings jump a bit. So I am feeling a little better about that. I can see where I will be back on track back where I was very soon. I feel like I am back on track. So with that said, I want to thank you all for dropping by, for watching this Stuff That Challenge video. And I hope that you will join me on Sunday for Savings Challenge Sunday, where I will be playing the Savings Challenge games and also updating on Big Brother later on in the evening. So until then, thank you for dropping by. Have a great weekend, remainder of your week and weekend. Goodbye.